Hello and welcome back to Nerd Gadget. Please help this channel reach 100,000 subscribers by subscribing, hitting the notification bell to stay current, mashing the like button, sharing, and commenting below. Thank you very much, and now I will pass the mic over to the man himself, Nerd Gadget.
In today's world, AI technology has evolved and developed significantly to the point where it's even hard to distinguish between an AI voice or even a human voice. I can remember back in the day when AI voices sounded robotically, something like, "Hi, my name is Hal. What is your name?" Versus today, where again, you would be thrown off or surprised to find out that it was the AI voice and not a human voice. Well, the tool that I'm going to introduce today is a total game changer. This is good for people that are in marketing, that have business proposals or online courses or even lectures. All right. This tool uses AI actors, and it's great for people that don't want to be in front of the camera or maybe not like the sound of their voice when it's being recorded. All right. So I'm going to talk about this tool right after this. Now, this online tool that I'm talking about today is from the company Deepbrain AI. Okay, so let me go ahead and log in. What's really nice about this online tool for those that are in marketing or business or even instructors or lecturers is that you don't have to hire someone to be the voice behind what you are trying to present. What's so awesome about this online tool is that it's quite customizable. You have several different AI actors / models to choose from, male, female, and it has several different languages you can choose from as well. All right. Now, instead of me going on and on about this, I will let you go ahead and see it for yourself. Check this out.
AI Studios produces videos featuring professional models with few clicks.
Type your script here.
AI humans never get nervous. Speaking in English, Chinese, and Japanese. News reports, product introductions, even lectures.
This lecture is about
Maybe even this.
Jane, will you marry me?
Videos are created with only a text input, just like this. Don't worry about hiring models, recording, editing, or license. Various specialized AI humans
Boost your video production with ease.
AI human video production platform, AI Studios.
All right, so this is the screen that you're going to see once you log in. All right, you got these different options. It states here solid background, default template. This is the screen that you're going to be presented with once you sign into the site. All right, and as you can see here, you have where it states here URL to AI video. You have solid background, default template, and you can even import this or import your project into PowerPoint. All right. But what you're going to do here is just go ahead and click where it states chatgpt. And in here, you can go ahead and type in a topic that you would like to discuss or present. All right. So let's say, what makes Nerd Gadget so awesome? All right. Then down here, you'll choose a template. You're not locked down to the AI actor / model. You can always switch them out. And that's what's nice about this, because it's so customizable. You're not even locked down to the colors or the way it looks, the way each of these templates look. You can customize those as well. But let's see here. We can choose. Let's just choose this one here. And then you will go ahead and click on create your video with chatgpt. And then give it a few for this to generate. Now you're presented with this screen here. It has introduction. You have your AI actor slash model here. And then something based off of what I typed in for a subject. Get a little closer here so you can see it. Or a topic. All right. Discover what makes Nerd Gadget spectacular and why nerds around the world love it. Now, you can see how this is customizable. Let's say I wanted to change out this AI actor slash model. I can go here. Let's see. And let's say I wanted to go and switch out to this one instead. I have that option. I can go here. So this is on models, as you can see here. But let's say I wanted to change the text. I can change the font style. I can write something else instead. All right. Let's see here, background. Say we did not want this background. All right, you want to change it. You just click over here, click background, and then click stock. You have different options here. All right, and you can also upload a different video or background if you wish. All right, this is pretty cool. Let's come over here again. And you can have this apply to all, not just one, or let's see, let's go with the one we had earlier. You have the options to choose different templates, which is nice. All right, let's say if I wanted to go here, you can do that again. You can change out your AI model or actor or actress. For audio, if you want some background music for your presentation, you can choose some here. And hit play. Let's cut the volume up really quick. So you have all those different options, which is really nice. All right, video. You can see it right now in motion. Different languages. All right, this is all English. You have the different genders and style of English. So let's scroll through and see here. Go to the next one. So you have Korean. All right, and you have Indian, several different types of language, Sweden, and so on. All right, several different languages, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese. So this thing is quite customizable. If I didn't want this, I can delete this. Let's say I didn't want this here. I can tap on the three dots, remove. You have all of those options. Let's say you wanted to have your logo on every screen. You can also move the model where you want to. Then you can actually go right where it states image. Click upload. Click this upload button here and wait for that to load. You can resize it. Oh, grab the wrong thing. You can resize this. And then you can have your logo present on every presentation slide. What's nice about having so many options for the AI actors slash models is it really depends on your target audience, on who you're trying to reach, is how you can choose them accordingly. So if it's a country that speaks English, then you can choose one of these English models or actors. All right, let's say it's one or a country like Korea, you can choose a Korean actor. So it's so customizable, and based off your niche and your target audience and the country location, you can customize it to fit what you're trying to present to that location or that target audience. Also see how this could be helpful for, let's say, an Amazon unboxing video or perhaps YouTube unboxing video. Just use one of these AI actors / models to do all the talking for you. In this field here, you could type in a script or what you want the AI model to state or say. All right, you could type that in there. I just typed something up and you get up to 3,000 characters per slide. All right. Of course, if you want to add more slides here, you just hit the plus button and then I will generate more slides. If you wish to do that, tap preview after typing in my script. As you can see here, I went ahead and typed in what I want to hear as a sample. And then I clicked on preview audio, and that's what it's doing now, going through the synthesis. And once it's ready, it should be down here. And now we can listen to how it sounds. All right, let's go ahead and listen to this.
I think Nerd Gadget is awesome.
I mean, that sounds so human-like, and that's computer generated. Can you believe that? Rename this if you wish, hit apply. All right, and then that's taken care of. Then you can go ahead, as it states here, save successfully. So you can go ahead and hit export, and that will spit out the project for you. And then you can upload it to social media, share it how you wish. All right, so again, pretty cool stuff, very customizable. Now, with all of that stated, if you're interested in finding out more information about Deepbrain AI, make sure you go to the description section of this video to find a link there. And this completes my review for Deepbrain AI.